I got a funny little story I wanted to tell you. You know, you might not care anything about it, but then again, if you listen, it might teach you a lesson.
We live to make him known, to make him famous, for his kingdom to come to all the earth. We live to make him known, to make him famous.
Good morning. We are headed out of Nashville this morning. Just left the Grand Ole RV Resort. We're coming down here to meet a friend for a little coaching session and to upload a video for you guys. And then we'll be headed towards the east in Knoxville. We're going to be singing there. Well, we're going to be singing in Cosby, Tennessee for Easter Sunday service. And tonight we're going to be singing, this is Friday, Good Friday, we're going to be singing in Sevierville near Pigeon Forge. So, yep, that's where we're at. That's what's going on. And, yep, praise the Lord. Just returned our rental car. There's our doggy. She's on the dash, and we're like kind of driving in the rain and mountains, and we were just sitting here talking about how there she sits, lays there, just resting, relaxed, trusting her master, Johnny, to get her safely where we gotta go. Not even worrying, just resting in the care of her master. And we were just talking about how that's a good lesson for us, that we need to just be resting in the care of our master. No matter what it looks like outside, she's not looking outside. She's got her eyes closed, she's sleeping.
I'll say something.
So
If God loves me more than I love that little dog, then I got something going good.
that's right.
Because I really love that little dog.
Yeah.
I'm not going to run her into nothing.
Yep. Yep. So praise God. Good lesson for today, guys. We have a giant strawberry in front
Do you
of us.
believe that I've had trucks and crazy people jump in front of it, but now I've had a giant strawberry jump in front of me?
Okay, we are about 2 miles from the church that we're going to sing Resurrection Sunday tomorrow morning. This is Cosby, Tennessee, and it's really pretty. It's a very nice place. Kind of reminds you of Helen and Hiwassee with the rafting and the river and all that. A lot of curvy switchback type stuff. So we're going to be here for the next 2 days. We're going to be staying in the KOA. Isn't that pretty right there? That mountain. The mountain's pretty. And so we're going to be staying in the KOA up here. So we're going to do a little review on that while we're here. I hope we're not climbing that mountain.
Climbing part of A mountain, I think.
Yeah, it's pretty though, ain't it?
How many miles did he say?
It was 2 back there, so it'll be on your left, church. So guys, we are here at this church that we're singing at for Easter Sunday tomorrow morning, and the church is getting us a campsite tonight, so that's going to enable us to give you guys another review. So it's a KOA. Yep, we're up here in the mountains. Mountains. I'm gonna
Really?
pour a little bit.
Oh, trash.
And really coming in.
We needed to trash. Dump the trash.
Yep.
Oh, that's a dead tree.
Go up to the top. Basketball court. Playground. You can see the church from here. Isn't that it?
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty neat. That's looks like a pool covered up pool.
KOA is A-OK as long as
You can just go in, Betty. Or
Sure?
check out, yeah.
you don't want to come in for me.
Come in for you.
You're the boss lady.
So this is the KOA here in Cosby, Tennessee, and it's pretty nice so far. We like it. Nice pull-through sites. This is a pull-through site here. Here's my little doggy. That site right there with the little fire pit, that's a premium site, I do believe. This one's just a regular site, which is fine with us because it's got a little fire pit there too. It's fine with us because it's got 50 amp and we're happy with that. But see that building right there? That's the parsonage, and the church is right in front of it. So we're not very far at all from the church. We can walk. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Doggy. Doggy. Gracie. Okay, so this is the map, and it looks like we're in number 7 right there. And number 7 is a pull-in site. Of course, like I said, some of the ones next to us are deluxe patio sites and super sites. That's pretty cool. Back-to-back companion sites. So they have a pool in the summertime, a playground. And then those are pulled through sites in the red.
I got a funny little story I wanted to tell you. You know, you might not care anything about it, but then again, if you listen, it might teach you a lesson. I've learned one. I had an old water hose that I had forgotten I had a pinhole in. And that's it right there, the water hose. And I've disconnected it from my end of my sewer bay over there. But I'm going to tell you what happened. I had it all hooked up here and turned the water on, and I was standing over here at this bay here working. I had it open and I was standing with my back to it, and I had my back, I was bent over in this bay right here, and you see the water hose right there. I forgot it had a pinhole in it, and it was squirting me in the behind. It was squirting me right in the behind, and I forgot that I had a pinhole in that water hose. So I need to get another water hose, and I need to use my good one in the meanwhile.
We are going to take you on a tour of a KOA here right on the outskirts of Gatlinburg. It's actually in Cosby, Tennessee. So come along, let's look at it. This is the office. There's the name of it, Gatlinburg East KOA General Store.
Yep.
So this is where you go when you want to get firewood, check in, all that kind of stuff right here. And so there's a lot of nice rigs in here.
Oh yeah. Yep, very nice.
Very nice. So there's nice spacious pull-throughs here. I think all of them are, except those when you first come in. And maybe those over there. Okay.
Hey, how are y'all?
So this is probably another premium site with the patio. Yeah, they even come with the, looks like they even come with table and chairs. Look, John, right there.
Oh yeah, we can walk
Yeah.
over there and
They come with table and chairs.
get cabins there.
Looks like it. Cool. Yeah, those are premium sites. I think they're like close to $90 or something. So this is basically up a hill. Can you tell by the way we're breathing that it's up a hill?
Well, I'm breathing a little hard because of my issue.
Oh, I'm talking about me too.
Are you?
Yeah. That's a premium site with the patio and everything. Grill, tables and chairs. It's a little dippy getting in though.
Yeah, that one.
There.
I'd probably do that, but it'd be a job.
Yeah, those are nice, aren't they?
So, old building behind there.
Mm-hmm.
That's an old building there.
Another premium site, another premium site. I guess these are just the regular pull-throughs. Got a couple cabins, looks like. That's nice. It's all downhill, see? We're sort of at the top here. So these are back-end sites, but they still have the premium, I think, because they have a patio and a grill and like a fire pit and all that. So there's a fire pit and all. So there's ours down there. So, yeah. Awesome. So we're just getting ready to leave the KOA this morning, and actually I need to figure out what the name is. It's Gatlinburg East, I think.
That's right. Yeah,
Gatlinburg East KOA, and we pretty much really enjoyed. We were here 2 nights. Kind of stayed busy a little bit doing the church right down the hill here. We which it looks like that may be the. I'm not sure if that's the pastor, but there's somebody.
He's having his AC worked on it.
Okay. But anyway, we just wanted to kind of recap and go over what we thought about it. Very quiet KOA. Very nice. Got some really nice spots here. It's a little pricey, but KOAs usually are, and we're not members yet of the KOA, so you know, we of course would have had to pay the more expensive price, but because our church that we sang at was down the hill, they actually donated this spot to us, and so
I'm sorry, but
it's okay.
I think KOA is real cool. I think they're actually the lot is neat, and you know, even the sewer drain is downhill on every one of these lots.
Yeah.
And can't find a thing wrong. So I think overall you get your money's worth, I think.
And we might look into joining KOAs, because especially if we start, you know, really traveling. And the thing with us is, though, we stay at a lot of churches, and so you want to make sure that you know, you get your money's worth. But I'm going to check into it and see what the prices are and stuff like that.
Yeah, we may.
But we've enjoyed our time here at Gatlinburg East KOA. Very close drive to Gatlinburg. Didn't take us but about 10 minutes or so to drive into Gatlinburg. Beautiful view driving in. Just really a really nice location, nice spot. So thank you guys for letting us stay here.